We are back with some more Fortnite. Guys, it's THEBEST here. Today I am doing a team rumble match, and it's going to be a challenge. I will be doing a shotgun only challenge. So guys, if I get more than 5 kills, please subscribe to my channel, post ring the notification bell, drop likes on the video, and comment down below if you liked this video. Alright guys, enjoy it. I don't know why Nick did oh my god. Nick is so stupid like this. Nick, oh my god, NC just made me so mad for doing the skateboard challenges because I don't want to even do it. Now I have to do it because he just got me a damn skateboard. Fuck. Okay, you're good actually. Hi there, buddy. Okay, you're good and you're good as well. Alright, shotgun only challenge. Oh, one of our guys just left. Great. Alright, I'm gonna go tilted. I don't care if it's over there. Those flying things better be here. It's shotguns only. Okay, that's not a shotgun, that's an AR. Perfect. What the one? When did I get the AR? Well, I am good at sniping, so yeah, I'll take it. So guys, I think it's now called the shotgun and sniper only challenge. Cause I am good at sniping. Oh. Oh my gosh. god, where's that guy? What was he was building here? God, this is crazy. We're losing 9-0. Gotta be. Oh, the first guy's right here. He's somewhere here. Okay, I somehow got killed. I somehow got killed by that lynx. How are they winning 12 to nothing? There we go. We finally got one. Oh. Flip! I hit Marshmallow first. Oh my god. How is their team winning like this? Oh, and there's a guy right behind. Oh, there's a guy right here. Headshot, baby. Oh, that's 4. Oh, looks like we got a pro here. Gotcha. That rock so sucks. Why did I get that? Actually, you know what? What? Are you really serious? You gotta be kidding me. There's no way Marshmallow could kill me there. Oh my god, I just got killed by the best DJ on the planet. There we go. Hey, back to you then, Marshmallow. Oh, what an assist. Let's go. Alright, I got killed by Marshmallow 2 times, and I killed him 2 times. Let's go. Oh, I saw a shotgun. I saw a shotgun. There we go. What the heck is going on here? Oh, okay. I need 2 of these shotguns. I need 2 of them. God, where's ammo? Jeez. Holy crap, I can't even find any damn ammo. Oh my god. This challenge is not gonna go good. Wait, but I'm gonna make it past 5 kills. Oh, and there's a guy right behind me. Where the fuck is that guy? He's right there. Gotcha. How? How? He shot me through the rock. He shot me through the rock. Bruh, he shot me through the rock. Oh my god, there's 2 boys here. There's 2 guys here. Oh my gosh, there's so many. Yeah, I killed him. Okay, block it up. Okay, now let's jump off this thing. Oh, is that a sniper? I could probably tell that that's a sniper. Is that actually a sniper? What was that? Oh, it was a boom bow. My bad. Oh, that's the boom bow right there. Oh my god, he drank the slurp juice I was about to have. Why did he drink it? Where's the ammo I need? I need ammo for a darn shotgun. I'm low. Oh, I see a guy right here on the mountain. Oh no, that's a good guy actually. That's a bad guy. Oh, a bad guy's coming in. Oh, but from where? Oh my god. And I got sniped. I don't even care. I don't even care if I got sniped. Darn it, I forgot to jump. I'll try to kill this guy right down. That guy's just such a... Wait, how is he building? Ammo, yes. I need it, I need it, I need it, I need it, I need it. I need that shit ammo. What the fuck? Oh, headshot! Oh no, I'm dead, I'm dead. I knew it. I knew I got hit by a shotgun from the mountain. I got killed by a shotgun from the mountain. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's a body shot for 22 damage. Are you kidding me? Oh, he's dead. I did not even realize that. Oh, there's a guy right here. Oh, fuck, I missed it. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? A guy just lasers me from the top of the freaking structure. You gotta be kidding me. I hate that. Oh, that was my kill there, fast. That guy's such a bot. He is such a bot. Oh, how did I just get sniped? There's no way someone saw me. Okay, this time I'm gonna build around the structure. So where's the mountain I was just on? It's right there, but I cannot get to it. Nice. Stop moving, idiots. Oh, I actually hit him. Oh, nice. They killed him. Boom. You know, I'm just gonna go charge him off. Oh, I'm getting shot at. I'm getting shot. And how did I just die? All from the new gun. 9 kills, not bad. Oh my god. Guys, look how many guys are right here. Look how many of them. Oh, come on! Who knocked down the darn structure? I was about to kill all of them. It's Marshmallow. Oh, shit. Oh, come on, that's my kill. Oh, finish it. Got him. Got him. Oh, we lost. No! Stop it, Marshmallow. Stupid. Alright, guys. I tried my best, but I could not get it that much. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, ring the bell, and drop likes on the video. I should get 1,000 likes on this video because I got past 5 kills, as I said before. And guys, comment down below if you like the challenge. Remember, it was shotgun and sniper only challenge. Okay, guys, peace out.